Hi, this is Dan Weedin. I'm a nationally recognized insurance expert, and today we're going to talk about types of insurance. What are the different types of insurance an individual should have? Now, a lot of that is going to be related to how old you are, where you are in your life. Are you fresh out of college, or do you have a young family or a growing family, or maybe you're heading into retirement? I'm going to go back and I'm going to take it really from kind of a young person who's now kind of going out on their own and maybe has a family. Here are the different types of personal insurance you should be considering. Number one is either a homeowner's or a renter's insurance. You're living somewhere. You're either renting or you own your home. If you're renting a home, you need to buy renter's insurance. You may think that, well, I have all of this stuff, it's covered somewhere. Well, it's not. You need to purchase insurance to cover all of your dishes, your furniture, your clothes, all of that. When you get into being a homeowner, you have to insure the structure and your liability as well. In fact, renter's insurance also takes care of your personal liability. The next box over is you're probably using something to drive. You have an auto, and you're required in all states to carry at least liability insurance on that auto. If you don't own that auto outright and a bank does, they're going to require that you insure the physical damage to that auto as well. In addition, you have life insurance to figure out, and depending on what your current circumstances are, if you're a young family, you may think you don't need as much life insurance because your kids aren't older, but the time to get life insurance is when you're young because it's much less expensive that way. If you're working for someone, you may have access to health insurance through a group plan. If you're not working, or maybe you're working for yourself, you have to go out and you have to find some level of health insurance. And with the Affordable Care Act coming up in 2014, there are going to be some more options for that. So health insurance is a really important part. One that gets overlooked a lot, or actually I'm going to tell you two that get overlooked. Number one is disability insurance. If you are responsible for making money for yourself or for somebody else, if you get disabled and can't work, you're going to need to find some way of bringing in some cash flow. And then the final one is long-term care insurance. Many people think of this as nursing home insurance, but 1 out of 2 people are going to need some level of long-term care at some point in their life. And that long-term care could mean you get injured in an auto accident, and it's to the point that you become a paraplegic and you need some long-term care. So to review, you need auto insurance, you need a home and or renter's insurance. You need to talk to someone about life insurance, group medical or personal medical insurance, disability, and long-term care. Sounds like a lot of insurance, doesn't it? But the real important thing is that it protects your lifestyle and the things that you want to do as you go through life. This has been Dan Weedin. Today we've talked about a whole lot of types of insurance. We'll see you next time.